Good morning, guys! Good afternoon or good evening. Kahit ano pa yan, ang mahalaga, nandito ka.
No, sweet yun.
Pero seryoso guys, today, gagamit lang tayo ng 1, 2, 3 ingredients. Yes, you heard it right. 3 ingredients lang guys. Kaya, ano pang hinihintay na? Let's try!
Oh, teka. Akala ko ba 3 ingredients lang? Eh, ano yan?
Guys, pwede din yung hindi gamitin to kasi nga, meron na tayong garlic na ipiprito mamaya. Pero kasi dahil meron kami nito sa kitchen, tinry ko na lang din. Actually, nag-i-invento lang ako kung anong magiging lasa niya. Kaya kung wala kayong ganito, okay lang naman yun.
I wonder how, I wonder why. Just a little of the sky. La, 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 la. Just a little lemon tree. Alam, concert.
Naks, may mga pa-entry talaga Pero guys, ito sobrang importante ng oyster sauce kasi yung dish natin today, tatawagin natin siyang pork garlic with oyster sauce. Imbento. Pero seryoso yung imbento guys kasi nag-iisip ako ng pwede naming iluto na hindi na mag-require ng maraming ingredients. So, alam niyo naman, parang adobo nga lang din to. Pero yun nga lang, oyster sauce yung ilalagay natin instead of soy sauce and vinegar. Para meron na din siyang natural na tamis and lasang soy sauce. So yun guys, let's start cooking this bago pa ito lutuin ng iba. Ayan. So, ilalagay lang naman natin yung minced garlic na ginawa natin. So, sabi ko nga kanina, diba, it is not a requirement to put the granulated garlic kasi meron naman tayong minced garlic. So, kailangan nyo lang gawin is to toast it until na mag-golden brown. Actually, pwede nyo nang ilagay bago pa siya mag-golden brown para hindi siya ganon masunog kapag nilagay mo na yung meat kasi ipiprito pa lang natin yung meat. Ayan, so nalagay na natin yung ating first ingredient which is yung garlic, second ingredient which is yung pork, and now we're going to put our third ingredient and the last ingredient which is our oyster sauce. So, dapat isang oyster sauce lang yung ilalagay ko pero technically with this kind of 1/2 meat, I need 2 oyster sauce. Yung kahit yun lang sa sachet lang guys. So, you just need to mix it all together para ma-coat ng ating oyster sauce yung lahat ng pork chunks. What? Is it pork chunks? Yeah, it is. So, kung mapapansin nyo, nagmamantika pa. Medyo napadami ngayon mantika ko. Pero I just decided to do that kasi baka hindi maluto yung pork. Well, it turns good pa rin naman. So, yeah. And of course, we need to add pepper to stay pepper to taste. I don't know if I added a salt, but I guess not because the oyster sauce gives it like a lot of flavorful flavor. What? Okay, so ito optional lang din to guys, no? Sana lahat option. Ay, masama pala maging option. Hindi, bawal maging option. At wag na wag tayong papayag na maging option lamang. Wow, okay, enough. So, yun guys, naglagay ako ng chili powder. O, diba? Saan tayo napupunta? Chili powder lang naman. So, yun guys, naglagay ako ng chili powder because your girl is obsessed with spicy foods. Yes, I love spicy food so much and I am not going to eat anything that without spice. Char lang. So yun guys, optional lang yung paglalagay nung chili powder and also nung mga chilies na ilalagay ko dito. Kasi if some kids naman and some other people doesn't like spicy foods, pero ako nga, I like it. So if you don't want to add chili and chili powder, then go for it. Your ingredients is already complete as long as the meat is already done. So yun guys, ayan. Sige, makialam pa. So yun guys, this is our final product and let's do the taste test. Actually, as you can see in the picture or in this video, it doesn't like look so much flavorful, but hell yeah. You're wrong. You need to try this so that you need to understand what am I telling you so that, yeah. Basically, it will just complete your lunch or your dinner. I don't know if breakfast will allow this, but it depends on you. So yun guys, if you wanted to try this, please don't forget to tag me on your Facebook stories or your Instagram stories. Wow, do I look famous? Just kidding. But please, if you don't want to tag me, just leave a comment down below. And please give me your thoughts on this recipe. And yeah, if you like this video, please don't forget to hit that like button and hit that subscribe button and push that bell so that you will always be updated to all of my other uploads. They are free guys, just hit them like bang bang bang.